This is the inside of the Birdcage Theater where they have some memorabilia. This is an authentic original hearse from the 1800s. It says right there, Tombstone's original Boot Hill hearse. Unbelievable. Up above it is an authentic original mortician's table. Really bizarre, but fascinating. It's part of the hearse. Original coffin from the 1880s. Original saddle. Can I say that that's a dentist chair from the 1880s? So much history and all in such great shape. Everything is original and exactly the way it was 200 years ago.